Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can buy an Amazon gift card. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, you need to open your Amazon and make sure that you're logged into your account. And from here, you'll need to now tap on the search bar right here and start typing Amazon gift card. So after typing Amazon gift card, you can now simply search it. And after searching it here, you'll get multiple different options, from which if you simply tap on this option, shop all gift cards right here, you'll get 3 different options. So from here, if you scroll down, you can see shop gift cards by delivery type. So you can get the option of e-gift card, you can get the physical gift card option, and you can also get the option of print at home gift card, right? So you can select which type of gift card you want. For now, I want e-card, so I'm going to tap on this e-gift card. After tapping on this option here, you'll get multiple different options again, from which scroll down until you find the option of Amazon e-gift card. So if you simply tap on this option, here you can also see the option of happy birthday or anything like that. You can do that if you want, but for now I'm going to go with standards, just like this. I'm going to tap on that option, and then from here, you can now select what kind of occasion it is. So if you want any kind of seasonal gift card, you can tap on that option and get the seasonal gift card, just like this one. Or I can simply go back and you can select the appreciation one, celebration or greetings or anything like that. And in here, you can also see the option of designs. So if I simply want this design, I can do that and tap on it and select the design, just like this. And you can also get the option of gift amount. So here you can choose the standard one, $25 to $200. If you tap on it, you have now selected the $200 gift card. Here, if you want to enter the amount, you can also do that. Remember, you can only go up to $2,000, so you can enter the amount here if you want. And in here, you can also get the option of delivery. So if you want to get this delivered through email, you can select that. Or if you want to get this through the shareable link, you can select that. Or you can also select the text message option. For now, we're going to go with email. And in here, you'll need to enter the email of the recipient. So for now, I have entered a random email just like this. You can even add multiple recipients if you want. If you tap on this, add multiple recipients, you can do that. So in here, you can also write the gift message. Here you can see by default, it is hope you enjoyed this gift card. You can add on this if you want. So in here, you can write down your name right here. And now in here, you can select the delivery date. So if you simply tap on it, tap on this calendar icon, here you'll get this calendar option, and I want this to be delivered on Monday, just like this. I have selected it, and now in here, you can select the quantity. So for now, by default, it is 1. If you want it, you can increase the amount like 2 or 3. And just like this, here you can see we have also entered our quantity. And when you are done with all of it and you have successfully decided what type of gift card that you want, you can now tap on add to cart or simply tap on buy now, just like this. And like that, all you need to do is simply follow the process of payment, which you normally do with any of your Amazon products. And like that, you'll be able to buy your e-gift card or physical gift card or the gift card that you can simply print at your home. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.